This is HRU, which means heat recovery unit. The configuration of HRU is different from AHU. Also, if we find the devices which are placed into it are different. Heat recovery unit is the unit where the heat is coming here and it will recover and go back. So starting from this, you will find these are the temperature sensor placed here and here. One is for the return, one is for the fresh. After that, you will find the DPS, which is differential pressure switch, placed here. DPS are also placed here and here. 4 units are, and here also the temperature sensor is placed. So if I open this, you will find filters are here, back filter and pre-filter. So this DPS is for the back filter and pre-filter, and this DPS is for the exhaust unit. You can see motor and pumps are here, big blower. Same time, if you see this part also, pump and motor placed for this DPS is placed here. So heat recovery unit consider different type of devices. See, the direction of airflow is given here and airflow direction. The recovered exhaust gas will come here, and after that it will go inside this, then it will flow like this, and it will again go into this. This is actually AHU, air handling unit, where fresh air will come again and it will treat, see, back filter, pre-filter, and it will again go through the different duct system. With this HRU, control panel is also there for starting, which is dual starter. You can see here. This is also controlled through our controller panel, which we have seen in other videos. DDC panel actually. So different DDC panel is available for different AHUs and HRUs. So these are the systems, these are the units by which the complete HVAC system, we can say. There are different fan units are also available for fresh air inlet. So in this building, total 18 AHUs are placed at different level location. From here you can see also these are the chiller towers, 4. So 18 AHU unit are placed and 2 HRU unit are also placed for this full complete heating and cooling system. I'll show you the heater unit also. For maintaining a particular temperature, heater is also used. Like if your temperature is 16 degree, okay, means too much cold. If you like to change suddenly, if you change the temperature to 31 degrees Celsius, so what will happen? The heater will start there, it will start heating. When the temperature will reach up to 31 degree, then heater will stop. Like this the whole HVAC system works. But our conventional ACs are also operating heating and cooling system, but that is for the small scale. For the big commercial building, schools, college, universities, malls, we are using this HVAC system. Thank you for watching.